In this video, we're going to see Ms. Denega's first grade classroom and how she teaches the children to use trackers during their reading workshop. I want you to notice especially how she breaks down this sort of complex procedure into step by step by step, and she explains them all in a whole lesson. So she uses her mini lesson during her reading workshop in order to teach this new procedure. Also notice that she taught this procedure after she had already gotten them used to the routine of reading workshop. So you want to notice how you don't teach every procedure at once. Only teach a procedure when the children are ready for it and they need it.
So who can tell me, I want Ariana. Ariana, can you tell us what we're going to track on this sheet that says the Daily 5? What are we going to use this for?
We're going to use it for tracking where we want to go on Thursday,
Right, so I just showed you what this tracking sheet, what we noticed. We noticed an M for what?
Monday.
We noticed a T for what, Omar?
Tuesday.
A W for?
Wednesday.
A TH for?
Thursday.
And an F for?
Friday.
Thank you, Ariana. So we noticed that there are letters in the beginning that stand for the days of the week. We also noticed that today is Thursday. I put a star here because today we are going to track where we go. Emma, give me 1 second, okay? So we are going to track where we go. What do you notice about these bubbles? And how can we make a connection to these bubbles to what we notice on the Daily 5? What do you think? Turn to your partner and talk about how we can make a connection. 1, 2, 3, back to me. Ella, can you share what you were just saying?
So there are letters for all the, or maybe 2 letters for that. So you would color in one of the bubbles so you would know which center because.
Okay, so let's go over what the bubbles mean. So do you think you have an idea? What does this bubble mean? So thank you for coming up and volunteering. You can sit down and I want to go through each of them. Yashi, why do you think, I want you to share what you were thinking. Why are we going to color in these bubbles? Is it fun to just color, Bennett? No. Fix your sleeve, please.
Yes, it's because so we know which place we are in, and the next day we won't get confused with what we were doing yesterday.
Yeah, so since we're tracking everything we're going to for the whole week, thank you, Yashi, you'll know where you went and you know to make a different choice the following day. So let's go over all the bubbles. I want you to notice that all of these bubbles are on each of the choices, right, Matt? So, Matt, can you tell me what the R stands for?
Read to self.
Okay. Xavier, can you tell me what the W stands for?
Read.
Writing.
Right.
So work on writing, right? So the W stands for writing. The RS, who could tell me, what does the RS stand for? Amaya?
Read to someone.
Read to someone, and here's the RS. I have it written on here so you don't get confused. You just look for the one that matches, right? What does the WW stand for? Kendra?
Word.
Word work, perfect. And what does the L stand for? Axel? What does the L stand for? Can you? You got it. Listen to reading. So, today, what I'm going to have you do, Mrs. Serino, can you hold up the basket on where all the tracking sheets are? So we've seen this fall over a few times because we've had it in our classroom. We haven't used it yet. In this basket, there are individual tracking sheets for you. It's a little bit smaller for you, and you're going to move your clip on where you're going to go take a tracking sheet and fill in the bubble on the choice you made. Give me a thumbs up if you think you can do that today. I really love the way most of us are really focused and sitting nicely on the rug. Can I have that? Thank you. So you're going to put your clip, I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to do. So let's pretend that my name is Axel. I'm going to pretend to be Axel. I'm going to get my clip. Remember how we pinch the clip. I'm going to choose read to someone. I'm going to get my tracking sheet and I'm going to color in. Which one am I going to color in?
RS.
Okay, the RS. Does it need to be perfect?
No.
No. If I don't want to color it in, I could put an X through it so I know that I did it. And then keep it in your tray and go to that choice. Do we understand what we're doing?
Yes.
This is our first time trying it, so I want to see everyone put your clip on first, then get your tracking sheet, fill it in, and go to your choice and get started right away. Think we could do that?
Yeah.
I think we can do that today. Okay, so let's see. Let me put this back. I will tell you which team is going to choose first. I am going to have Michaela and Axel come sit with me. They're going to be working with the teacher at table 4. So you could come and sit down, and I'm going to put your clips for you at Meet with Teacher, okay? So my friends, you're going to meet me at table 4. Can I have the green team? Green team. Can you guys sit on this side? Green team, get your clip. Make a choice.
Go get your and then let's can you go?
Okay, can I have the blue team make a choice? Great job, green team. You don't need a highlighter, you use a pencil. A pencil, you're just using a pencil. That's all. Thank you for asking that question. I would like you to put your name. All right, please remember that your name on your